Welcome back to Natural Stones, where today we're making soup. Stone soup. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that on this channel. Today, we're gonna make a spoon rest for this spoon to rest on. So when you're cooking, and you're cooking the food and stuff, you just take it off and you wanna put it somewhere without getting that place dirty. That's why we're making a spoon rest out of a rock. Because that's what we do here on Natural Stones. We make stuff out of rocks. This rock, I'm probably gonna do the green rock from the pickle video. And I'm just gonna put this thing on. It'll look good.
The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. I left the pages in my schedule, but they're falling hard. Find me on your way out, I'll be right here. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. The sky is sunny, but the clouds are running in my head. I'm thinking maybe I would rather play the part instead. Don't know what to say now, I'll get my eyesight checked. But I can listen while I'm wishing, staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. They don't seem so far. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bound to hit our groove. I'm closing chapters, looking backwards, and I'm making sense. I'm interested in all that flourishes from ignorance. Nothing in my way now, except for my own years. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. They don't seem so far. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bound to hit our groove. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bound to hit our groove. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Run it and go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing on these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Run it and go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing on these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Run it and go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing on these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Run it and go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing on these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so.
I'd say it turned out perfect. It's got the perfect bowl shape, the flat bottom. If you enjoyed this video, you should hit subscribe, because that's what we do on this channel. We make stuff out of rocks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.